So here we are on my Facebook page, and this video is all about whether we should be using hashtags when we are posting here on Facebook. Now, as we scroll down a little bit to a recent post of mine that I did on my page, you can see I've added some hashtags, the hashtag YouTube, YouTube videos, YouTube rankings, and my own name. And you might be thinking, Mark, why would you add your own name? I'll get to that a little bit later. But that was just a very simple post that I did here a few days ago, and well, that was a few hours ago. And here's another one here on Twitter. I've used a few hashtags here as well. So when answering directly, should we be using them? I think it's very much a win-win if we do use hashtags here on Facebook when posting. There's minimal downside and there's actually huge upside. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, aren't hashtags used only on Twitter and Instagram and places like that? And you are 100% correct. That's where hashtags have evolved out of. Hashtags have evolved out of Twitter and Instagram, but they're definitely evolving. And you can see over here on the LinkedIn platform, here is a post about the NBA basketball playoffs. And this particular post lists some hashtags here. And as I scroll down a little bit further, I'll probably start seeing, more hashtags, failure, step to success, NBA, that type of thing. So very much hashtags are transcending across all of the social media platforms. So for that reason, it's a very much, a good idea to be using them on Facebook. And the reason you would wanting to be using them, not only here on Facebook, but across all of the platforms is because the way hashtags work, they become a clickable link. So this was a post I did on my Facebook page going back about a month or so ago, and it's all about how to schedule posts here on Facebook. And I've added the hashtag Facebook, Facebook page, Facebook post, and then mine. So the way hashtags work, and they work very similar or exactly the same across all of the platforms, when someone clicks on a particular hashtag, it takes them to all of those posts on that particular hashtag. So this particular video was all about how to schedule posts. So if someone went up to the search bar here on Facebook and keyed in a hashtag, let's say someone up here on the top left keyed in Facebook page or Facebook post with a hashtag, then Facebook will bring up all of the posts that have that particular hashtag. So suddenly what happens is any particular post that you've done on Facebook is now potentially going to be available for anyone looking for that content. Whereas currently this particular post on my Facebook page, it's only going to be available, or not available, it's available to everyone, but it's in all likelihood only going to be seen by people following my page or that type of thing. So using of hashtags potentially opens up your Facebook post to literally the whole world of Facebook. So that said, the upside is only huge and the downside is minimal. So what style of hashtags should we be using? Well, you're going to want to use a combination of popular hashtags, less popular hashtags, and maybe your own business name. Start creating your own business name hashtag. This is a particular post again I did a few months ago. Let's have a look at this one. So this video was all about what are the key elements to the perfect tweet. Okay, so I was informing people how to create the perfect tweet. So the hashtags I've used are how to tweet, the perfect tweet, in my own personal name. My name is my brand, the brand is me, that type of thing. So again, over time, the personal name, the branding one will become more popular. People will, if someone's searching for me, all of my posts will come up if they're searching for Mark Warnken. But if someone is, posting and searching for, hashtag the perfect tweet, then there's a good chance that my post on Facebook will actually pop up. Now, my post, the more popular the post, the greater the chances, that type of thing. But these are all of the, the search terms, the SEO terms, the Google terms that people are searching for. So a combination of popular ones, the combination of what the particular post is all about, and a branding exercise as well. And Facebook are already doing that in some ways. I'm actually uploading a video here. This video is all about how to become unstoppable on LinkedIn, and they're asking us to key in tags. Now, going back, originally on Facebook, these tags were, equivalents to hashtags, and you can pop in tags and things like that there. I've typed in LinkedIn, and you can type in how to use a LinkedIn. So it's a similar type of thing. And on this particular post, you would name what the post is all about, 3 easy tips to become unstoppable on LinkedIn in 2023. And then I would add the appropriate hashtags on what the post is all about. Now, you might have seen that Facebook will start to auto-populate. See what's happening? I'm typing in the word LinkedIn and it's auto-populating that, hey, Mark, is this particular post about LinkedIn? How to use LinkedIn would be another obvious one. And because I've been using my own name as a branding hashtag, see it's starting to become more popular. I can click on that. I've just started to auto type and it's auto suggesting that I add my own name. So this is a way for you to start using your business name, your business brand, your own personal name as a hashtag one. So in summary, why not start giving hashtags a go here on Facebook? The upside is only endless. The downside is minimal. What you're doing with all of your particular posts, you're giving the opportunity for the whole world here on Facebook to start finding your content as more and more people start using and searching hashtags. And finally, you might be asking yourself thinking, well, Mark, I don't search via hashtags. And you know what? Probably most of the population don't actually use hashtag for searching, but it's not about us. It's about how others are trying to find content, not only here on Facebook, but across all of the social media platforms. Finishing on this one, this was a video just giving 3 reasons why you're invisible on LinkedIn. The hashtags were LinkedIn tips, LinkedIn profile, and LinkedIn post. So go to the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Are you using hashtags here on Facebook, and maybe not only here on Facebook, but across all of the other platforms? If you're watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Leave me a comment. You might be watching this on YouTube as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share my video. Give me a like and comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.